So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually pour using latte milk. So if you haven't already, go watch the video we created on actually creating latte textured milk, and then this is the next step for you. So when it comes to actually pouring the milk, a very key point to understand is distance from the cup and how it affects the milk. So if we're really close to the cup, it will bounce off the bottom and come through, and if we're further away, it bounces off the bottom but stays underneath the espresso. So if we want latte art to actually come through the milk and paint the picture, we need to be close. If we don't want it, we need to be further away. So first step is to angle the cup, and from mid-height pour into the middle, draw over any white bits, and just swirl around, 2/3 full, get really close, and just stay in one spot. As we continue to pour, tilt the cup straight, and finish.